So for Kyle, this turning point for this recipient is going to be a game changer. It really changes your life and really propels your career forward in any way that you want it to be. So he is going to be forever changed from this day for the betterment. So the sky's the limit for him and his career. So the Milken Educator Award meant for me personally, it just allowed me to really excel at what I always did as a school leader. Really build capacity within the teachers in our campus and those leaders, and really do what needs to be done for students so they can achieve. And so as a result of winning that award, my community really shifted and changed. We were recognized on a very national level, and it gave us the pride and recognition that we didn't get before as a result of our achievement. But it really changed my life and allowed me now to work for the National Institute for Excellence in Teaching and really spread those good best practices that I did as a school leader across the country. So it really changed my life, it changed my community, and we're forever changed, just like the new recipient is today.